Welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a mandala art. One thing you need to know about mandala art is it has origin from Buddhism and Hinduism. It's all about drawing circles, trying to find symmetry, creating order in chaos. So I'm going to give it a try because I think I've been going through a chaotic season trying to find my creative flow. But one interesting thing about it is it has therapeutic abilities to give you satisfaction. So I urge you to give mandala art a try. The approach I'm taking is a digital approach, and I'm going to use a lot of symmetrical tools on the drawing app I'll be using. And that's it. I take some lessons online and I went ahead with it. I'll be sharing the link of the video I got some inspiration from, and I will also want you to enjoy my mandala art. The mandala art is supposed to help you find calmness, and I must testify that after trying it out, I felt really calm. I felt really good. So I added some patterns of petals, some patterns of lines, and there it became this beautiful, beautiful thing you can see. So you can see me taking some little strokes. That's it. And mandala art is just wonderful. So here is the final work, guys, and I'm very, very amazed. I'm very, very satisfied with the whole image. I've tried making images of mandala art before now, but it has been difficult. I must say that that tutorial was very, very worth it. You can find the tutorial in the description of this video, and if you want to know how I set up the symmetry tools on the drawing app I used, I can do a video about that if I get enough likes for this video. But I am just zooming in and zooming out of the work, and even just zooming in and zooming out, I'm satisfied. I wonder if you feel relaxed after watching this whole video of mandala art. They say it's therapeutic and it can help you relax. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share with anyone that you think will find this very interesting.